Right, good morning guys, join us today up at Glen Feshie. We're just at the car park now. Plan for the day is to take the bikes from the car park down to the Bothy, hopefully get into the Bothy, and then we're going to tackle anything between 1 to maybe even 4 Munros. We don't know, we'll just see how time is, but definitely first target for me is Monadh Mòr. Today I'm out with Big Stevie, out in boots, Paul, PA Adventures and Dave along the well side. So join us along the way. It's a not bad day, a bit overcast, a bit rainy on the way up, but it's nice and mild at the minute. Ideal conditions at the minute. Guys, that's us at the Bothy. Just got for 7k and it took us about an hour to get here. Beautiful setting, this is. Absolutely unbelievable settings. I'll take you in and give you a wee look at the Bothy. It's absolutely stunning in there as well. I thought it was going to be maybe full. There's a guy over there in a tent. Looks like a wee Zephyros 1 that looks like, but wow, excellent. So I'm going to take you in, give you a wee tour. Yes. Hey mate, how you doing?
Hey,
this is nice, eh?
It's not bad at all.
Wow, this is excellent.
It's a fantastic place.
Excellent. Wow. God, this is great. Somebody set up in there. Cracking. Brilliant. I want to show you where we are tonight. We are up the stair.
Alright, Tom. How's it going?
Every bouncer is going to chuck me out. So, up the stair, into the left. We're in here. How you doing, Mucker?
Hi, Thomas.
It's good. It's good.
Nice wee look at this.
Ideal.
Table and everything.
He's got a wee bit for his kit. Fantastic. Fantastic, man. And we've got the snorer. The snorer's in here.
It's the snoring room.
Ah, it's the snoring room. How you doing, Dave?
Oh, good mate, absolutely brilliant, that was amazing.
Right, let's get some kit together.
Sweat running out me, man.
I know I'm switching into another t-shirt right now.
Are you Stevie?
Aye. So the way.
Hey guys, that's the kit dumped. Ready to jump back on the bikes. And we're going to take the bikes up the Munro as far as we can. We'll see how we go. But this is the toilets. Have a wee look at this for all mod cons. So you got a wee double toilet. So basically just a hole in the ground, and you flush it with a bucket of water. How cool's that? Need a good aim, but yeah. And the exact same here. So yeah, fantastic. Actually can't wait to get back down to the Bothy. That is a perfect, pretty little site, isn't it? Unbelievable. I've been to this Bothy before, a long time ago. Never done any Munros, we just came to the Bothy for a couple of nights, a few scoops, but it hadn't been done up. And it was a bit of a riot before then, but some transformation in it now. Really nice. This is ready to go. We've got our water. We're all bombed up, ready to hit the hill. Hey guys, that's us at 900 metres. Just coming into the clag. Even on the e-bike, pretty tough, really steep that coming up. Some bits you just need to walk it because your back wheel just spins till you find another wee sort of grassy bit. Grassy bits are alright. Once you hit that sort of loose shingle, it tends to slow you up a bit. But yeah, I think I'm much more into up onto the plateau. Hey guys, that's us at the bike drop, 957. Not bad coming up here. Some tough bits, really steep. Me, Stevie and Paul dumped the bikes here. Dave's going to go on another K and we'll catch up with him. So we're going to head over to Monadh Mòr. That's going to be our first Munro of the day. That's us just approaching the summit of Tom Do, not a Munro. Probably a Munro top for something, I don't know what it is, but we're going past it anyway, so thought we'd come up and get a wee look. There are the lads there in the clag. Well in, buddy. Well in, mucker. Davey boy. Well in, bud. Well in. Hey guys, that's us at the summit in Monadh Mòr. At 1,113 metres. That took us 4 hours and 30 minutes, 4 hours 30 minutes. So we're going to go and see if we can find a wee shelter bit. I thought it was going to clear there, we got a blue sky up there, but it's not really going to help us out much, is it? Let's see if we can get a wee shelter bit and get a bite to eat. I think that's lunchtime, well overdue our lunch. Cold in that wind, but aye, great hike, thoroughly enjoyed it. In the clag, pity we're in the clag, it's views I think maybe been nice up here, not bad out there. Get a wee bit of view out there, broken up. That's some views coming out now, see them? That's not bad to the views there. Right guys, that's us about 40 metres for the summit on this boulder field. Actually no bad going. Steep, but some really big slabs on it, so you're making good progress height wise. There is the odd wee wobbly one, you just need to watch out for that. But I see I've no packs on, so relatively easy going. Making it up to the summit. Blue sky above us. A bit of fog bowl going on over there. A lot different.
Well done, Dave.
A lot different for the last time you were up here,
Well done, Tom.
Well done, Stevie boy.
Well done, Paul.
Well done, Mucker.
Beinn Bhrotain, 1157 metres. Munro number 242. Get in there.
Well guys, the summit of Beinn Bhrotain at 1157 metres. That took us 5.5 hours, so you're about an hour between the summits. Say we stopped and had lunch and what have you. But yeah, ideal. A bit of fog bowl still going on there. Brilliant. That's us back at the big drop. Oh. Oh. One more wee steep bit to go. Then it should be all downhill for anyone in. Hey guys, this is back at the first Munro Mòr. We're on 6.5 hours, so to get to that Beinn Bhrotain and back, it was basically about 2 hours to get there and back. So we're on the home stretch. Hopefully it should be all downhill from now on in. Pick up the bikes, then down into Bothy. Starting to get really cold now. That wind has just picked up. The air is very damp. Really wet up here. So hopefully get out the clag soon and get back to these bikes. Ta-da! There we go guys, after 7 hours, 56 minutes and a total of 31k, we're back at the bikes. That is a welcome sight, I'll tell you. That is a welcome sight. So let's get back to it. I think we're maybe going to go up to that other Munro, Mullach Clach bhlàir. I've done that one before, but Dave's no, so we might go up there with Dave. I'll see how I feel. I'm absolutely gubbed. But it's good to get to the bike. Aye, hey guys, summit at Mullach Clach bhlàir. First Munro on my trusty e-bike. Well done guys, third Munro of the day. Brilliant.
Fantastical.
Better touch. Cairn, been here before, but always good to return.
I see the moon, I can see a few stars. There's a cool wind blowing all around. I can hear the trees. Oh, I can feel the owls are calling close. The oaks are drawn on the floor. Moon glow throws.
That's the hike and the bike done in the Bothy. I've got my wee corner. I've got back and there's plenty of people here. It's full. There's a lot of people, so first priority is get some dinner on the go.
I can't say exactly what it looks like.
Yeah,
but just
that sounds like a planned dinner.
So,
Oh, good day, cracking day. Really, really good. Bit hairy cycling down there. That's the quickest I've ever been doing after Munro. About 20-25 minutes to get down to the Bothy for that summit, Mullach Clach bhlàir. But it was a bit hairy, really, really steep. In some perverse way, I enjoyed getting up at Beinn and coming down it. Aye.
Cheers, Marker.
Cheers.
Cheers, lads. Cheers, Davey. Again.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, Davey.
Cheers.
I heard this place.
Glen Feshie.
I heard this place. Hey, Stevie, you look better like me. Keep that
Cheers.
on.
Right guys, that's us done. Just coming back onto the tarmac path here, I lost my battery power. That used it all up, so that was a wee bit of a blessing. Probably all the battery power get used going up that hill, that ascent up into the hills. But what an amazing, fantastic weekend in the Bothy with the guys. Big thanks to the guys, Paul, Stevie and Dave, making it a great weekend. All in there, we were just 52k, some going. 52k, and I think we were 10 hours odds. But anyway, if you've managed to watch this far, thank you very much for watching, and no doubt I'll catch you on the next one.